Let us today learn about the data table feature of MS Excel. This is an example taken from a textbook. This is the price of an item. The price of one item is 250 rupees, and the same item I have got it for 50 quantities, and the discount applied is 10%. So what will be the net amount for this particular values? We'll calculate here. So to calculate the net price, the formula will be price into quantity. So price is there in 1, quantity is P2. This is the total price minus 10% of the total price. So total price will be again P1 into P2 multiplied by 10%. So 10 divided by 100. So if the price of one item is 250, the same item I am buying it for 50 items I am buying at a discount of 10%, then the total amount is 11,250 rupees. Now this calculation, if I have to do it for different price and different quantities, the discount will remain as same, 10% only. So here as you can see, these are the different price labels that are written. 50 rupees, 100, 150, 200, 300, 350 and 400. So these are the different prices and these are the different quantities. That means if a price of one item is 50 rupees and I buy 10 quantities of that particular item at a discount of 10%, what will be the total amount that I have to calculate? So data table is one feature which will help you to alter your different input values and show you different results in the same table. So to create a data table, what we have to do is first we have to select from this cell onwards the total price that we have to pay to that shopkeeper. So we will have to select from here and till the last. After that, we go to the data tab. From data tab, we go to what if analysis. Then we select the data table. So here as you can see, a small dialog box has appeared. So what are the row input cells? These are the rows and these are the columns, as we know this. In the row cells, what do we have? We have the different price labels of one item. And in the column, what do we have? We have the different quantities. So for row, I'll select the price. And for column input, I'll select the quantity. Why am I selecting these two values? Because in the formula, I'm using these two values only. So what data table will do is, data table will take this price instead of 250. For this, it will take 50 and the quantity it will take as 10. Again, the price will be taken as 50, the quantity will be taken as 20. So it will take different values from the entire table and the total amounts will be displayed here. So after this, I click on OK. So as you can see, the table is filled up with all the values. So if we calculate manually, so 50 into 100 is 500. At a discount of 10%, the total price that I have to pay to the shopkeeper is 450. So similarly, 100 into 10, then discount of 10%, the net price that I have to pay to the shopkeeper will be 900. So these are the net prices. These are the net prices that you have to pay to the shopkeeper when the price and the quantities are different at different stages. But the discount percentage will be same, 10%. if you want to alter the discount percentage, you will have to change it in this cell, but that will be same for the entire table.